Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Word 2016 tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to format the page background. Let's get started. So I'm looking at a blank Word document here, and the first thing that I want to show you how to do is apply a solid page background color of your choice. The way that we do that is we go to the Design tab, the Page Background group, and we're going to be focusing on this one right here, which is Page Color. And so Page Color, we click on that. And then we see we have some options. Our first options are right up here at the top, which are our theme colors. These come from the selected theme for our Word document. Down here are the standard colors, which are available no matter what theme you choose. And then we also have no color, which is the default white color. More colors, which gives us more options in the standard and custom tabs. And then finally, fill effects, which I'll go over in just a minute. To apply a solid color to the background, you just choose the color that you want and click on it. Keep in mind that if you choose a darker background, you're going to want to choose lighter font. Alright, next thing we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to apply gradient fill, which is a combination of two colors. And so if I go to the page color button right here, and I go down here to fill effects, this is how you apply a gradient fill. You'll see the fill effects dialog box will pop up. The gradient option is right here. And this is where I could choose two colors. I'm going to choose this blue color that I had previously selected and this gray color over here. You'll see some views on how it will look, and you have some options for horizontal, vertical, diagonal, or from center or corner. I'll just choose horizontal and click OK. And you see how that looks. It's a combination of multiple colors. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to apply a background from the preset area. And so that's in the page color button. Go to the fill effects, and they have what's called preset textures. And so this is a texture background, and you can see all of the different textures that Microsoft Word has by default. You see some of them are wood or marble. I'm going to choose this one right here, woven matte, and I'll click OK, and you'll see how that looks. Alright, so there we go. That's how you apply a texture background in Word. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is configure the background using a pattern. And so if I go to the page color tab, page color button again, fill effects, let's choose this third tab, which is pattern. And this has a variety of different patterns you can choose from multiple colors. And I'm going to go ahead and select light horizontal on this one. And this will be a combination of different colors. I'm going to choose white, and I'll choose this darker gray, and click OK. And you see how that looks. And that has our light horizontal pattern applied to it. Finally, I'm going to go over how to configure the page background with a picture. And so you can actually add your own image or picture to the background of your page. And the way we do that is the Design tab, Page Background Group, Page Color. Once again, we go to Fill Effects. And finally, we're going to go to Picture. Now, this picture, you could select it by clicking on Select Picture. And then you could choose from a file or search online images. I'm going to go ahead and choose from a file. I've saved a file on my desktop, and it's this clouds file. And if I click that and click insert, I could see an image of it, or a preview rather. And then I click OK, and there's my cloud image on the page. Alright, so finally what I'm going to show you how to do is remove a page background. To remove a page background, we go to the Design tab, Page Background Group, and we go to Page Color. And I'm going to select No Color, and that'll restore all of the default settings. And finally, I'm going to go over page borders real quick. In the page background group, go to page borders. And when you open up page borders, it'll take you to the page border tab. The first thing you want to do is select the setting. And so I'm going to choose shadow for this one. And you'll see this will give me a kind of a 3D shadow look to the border around the page. And then I'm going to choose double line from this area, which is this one right here, double line. For color, I'll choose one of the standard colors this time. Down here, I'll choose dark blue. And then finally, this is where you adjust the width. I'll leave it at a 1/2 point. Alright, so once I do that, you'll see that when I click OK, that's my border. So that's the difference between a page border and a page color. Okay, keep in mind that you can combine them as well. Alright, so there we go. So that's should be everything you need to know about how to format your page background. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, again, please put it in the comment. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.